Let's draw a violin. Try to make your lines smooth and even. Wow! Imagine what this would look like in real life. Woohoo! Let's color in. Remember, there are no mistakes in art. Great! Make your shapes nice and big. All done. Bye-bye.